Afternoon guys, Brett here at Kendal Automart. Just going to take you around this BMW 525d M Sport Auto we've just taken in. Finished in carbon black metallic with over £6,000 of extras, including the upgraded 19-inch alloy wheels. As you can see, really good example. Wheels all really good, all the alloys. Sort of matte and curb rashed, etc. The vehicle is a really good example, been really well cared for, evident in the full service history that the vehicle boasts. Like I say, no sort of massive chunks at the wheels, no major scratches, scrapes, dents or anything to the paintwork. Interior, we've got the Dakota leather in black, and plenty of features to run you through. So you've got confirmation of the mileage there, and the multifunction steering wheel with your cruise control, mounted audio controls and Bluetooth controls on here. Automatic wipers, automatic lights. You can see the front and rear park sensors on here. Got FM and AM radio. You've got CD, Bluetooth, etc. in here as well. Bluetooth telephone. Navigation system is all loaded up and working as well. And you've got the keyless start, so the two keys just have to be within the vehicle, or one, sorry, just has to be within the vehicle, but there is two. You've got your dual zone climate control just underneath, heated front seats for both driver and passenger, your automatic gear selector, electric parking brake and auto hold system. You've got your controls for the central screen here as well, and like I said, lovely example, really good history as well. So let's take you through that. So you can see 2011, 13, 15, 16, 17, 3 services in 17, 2019, 20, 21 and 22. It's all been complete. But like I say, over £6,000 of extras. You've got the full black leather interior throughout the vehicle as well. But really good example and really good driving experience. I have taken it up the road, so nice and comfortable, and the sort of luxury you expect from the BMW 525 M Sport. But if you do wish to book a viewing or come and test drive the vehicle, then please give us a call and we'll get you booked in. Thanks again for watching. Bye bye.